Today we're in southeast Melbourne at a custom build that's just been recently completed by Alternate Vision. We've been working with Alternate Vision now for over 15 years, building custom homes and putting our touch into the projects. This home is a more restrained project. We have put our custom integration inside the home, but we've been very thoughtful about the budget of the customer and also offering as many features as we possibly could. We've done intercoms, security, we've done electrical automation, KNX, and a lot of hidden tech. There's blind pelmets been put in, which we've linked everything into. The switches are placed strategically, so they're in a nice position if you do need to use them, but we've actually tried to make it so you don't need to go to the switch very often. A lot of scenes are automatic in the home, there's a lot of motion detection, and it's just a simplistic option when you're trying to keep the walls nice, crisp and clear. So the lighting design in this property was also to enhance the room's experiences. We wanted to make it comfortable, but add a touch of flair to it. We've gone for isometric and asymmetric downlights from Vibe. They're a beautiful little product that means I can direct the light to where I want it to be, which gives you a softer feel when you're relaxing in the night time. I was sceptical whether automation was going to be used in this home. However, after we got some of the tech into the home, it was a no-brainer. They wanted more. It added value to the home for them. It's made it comfortable. It's made all these different possibilities as time has gone on. People change their mind. We just changed a little bit of programming and the house now does exactly what they want without any sort of inconvenience. These customers now tell everybody they must have home automation. It's such a simple thing to install at the beginning at a new home or a renovation, and there's so many benefits of having it. We put our heart and soul into this installation. It's a passion of ours. We've been doing it for over 18 years, and we strive to have the best outcome possible for our clientele. We'll work with them with their budget, and we will strive for the best outcome possible. Neatness, efficiency, and always to the same quality.